Lecture 6 Part 3 Note 7 SQC 1 Engagement Performance. To ensure consistency in the quality of engagement performance, for every engagement team member should be properly briefed or instructive about objectives, compliance with engagement standards, ensuring regular supervision and review of their work, and evaluating whether appropriate documentation is maintained for every engagement. If required, the firm should consult with experts, they may be internal or external, regarding difficult or contentious matter with respect to every engagement. Engagement Quality Control Review. In case of listed companies, quality control review is mandatory. For every engagement where quality control review is applicable, proper reviewers should be appointed, all important matters must be discussed, and review should be completed before issuing any reports. In case of difference of opinion with an engagement team or with those charged with or with those consulted with, that is experts, or between engagement partner and quality control reviewer, then such differences should be resolved. In case recommendations of quality control reviewer are not accepted by the engagement partner and the matter is not resolved to the reviewer's satisfaction, then matter should be resolved by following well established procedures of the firm. They may include consulting with other practitioners or firms or a professional or regulatory body. Guidelines regarding documentation. Policy for assembly of engagement file to be completed in not more than 60 days after the date of report. Ownership of documentation or working papers will be with the firm, and before giving access of their documentation to the client or any third party, they should consider confidentiality and independence. Retention period for audit engagement is not shorter than 7 years from the date of auditor's report.